are you doing with that giant garbage bag?
It's a penis!
What?
The black penis!
That little mouse, cause I'm an albatross.
Hi, girl, you
Anissa, your phone is not even on.
Okay, and so I can't have fun. Hello.
Where are you?
I'm almost there.
Swear to me!
I swear. What? Ow, what's your problem?
Anissa, guess what?
What?
Chris Brown just died.
Are you serious?
His hair black.
Are you play too much?
Creak.
Oh shit!
Get ready for this.
Oh shit!
Wax on!
You're not
Wax off!
cleaning the toilet. You the f off.
Story time. The man's butt scratching was complete.
Dude, what?
It was delightful.
True.
Ugh!
What?
Your face scary.
Mom.
911, what's your emergency? This girl's talking shit on Twitter. Wait, she says she hates Zayn Malik. What's her at right now?
I go to church now and I am in love with Jesus.
So what are your goals in life? Nothing too much. Just, marry a llama. Are you on drugs?
Magikarp, go! You splash! But nothing happened.
Something's gonna happen.
Hey, y'all, he want me to split this, and he want 2 tens, right?
What the? That's all.
Bang, bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang, bang all over you. I'll let you.
Oh, you make me sick!
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I love this lighting. Bitch, you look like a zebra.
This is really Gatorade. Is this good? Yeah, good. For cleaning. Oh. Oh, wait! What are you doing?
They call me Juan. They call me Jose. They call me Carlos Sánchez de la Cruz Rodriguez Martinez Lopez. That you go.
Beso suave, es lo que anhelo. Un beso tuyo, es lo que.
We need some raid for this roach right here. Just look at her hair.
Well, if that's the case, then we need a mouse trap because you're a rat.
Nearest fast food.
I didn't quite get.
Nearest fast food.
I'm sorry.
Nearest fast food.
Getting directions to Chipotle.
Good lord! How much bacon does a family need? Don't.
Story time. This was the moment the lad would propose to the girl.
No.
Mans, what's the name of your new song?
Let me take you up and down.
Oh!
Bruh, delete that shit.
No, man!
Story time. Little did she know the mysterious figure creeping up behind her.